Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we have something new. As you can see, a box that is, let's see, it's physically bigger than me. It's about the same size as the door frame. And we have some new parts of the GR Yaris. So we have some new parts from Automotive Passion. So you may have seen that we installed their carbon mud guards on the front end of the Yaris. So this is a new part. So let's see what you think of it.
Your strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it?
So I've had to go for the wide angle lens to actually get all this in because it is a long package. In fact, let's find out how long it is. So yeah, the package is 195 centimeters long, so it's a pretty long one. So let's get into it and see what. Wow, this is light. There we are, so let's get rid of some of this rubbish and see what we've got. So this is what we've got. We've got a carbon fibre front splitter for the GR Yaris. So let's see if we can uncover this a bit more. That's finished really nicely. So that's the Automotive Passion front splitter unboxed. I have to say it's a very lightweight piece, really nice carbon fibre, literally the finish on it is flawless. And if you've been a subscriber for this channel for a while, you would have known that it had a carbon fibre front lip on the Evo IX. The fit and finish on this is way past what that was. Really nice product, so I can't wait to get it on the car. What I'm going to do first of all, treat it with a bit of tan coat like the rest of the GR Yaris is, and then we'll get it fitted. So if you want to see that, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe. In the next video we'll get this fitted and hopefully get it up before Christmas. Until then, see ya, bye.